Dangerous habit in your life because it doesn't destroy you instantly. It kills you slowly, quietly, day by day. It whispers, "I'll do it tomorrow," and you believe it. You trust that small, soft lie because it feels comfortable. You think you have time. You think the world will wait for you. But time doesn't wait. It never has. Every second you delay, someone else is out there doing the thing you keep avoiding, working on the dream. You say you'll start someday, building the body you wish you had, living the life you keep imagining. You tell yourself, "I'll start when I feel ready." But here's the truth, you'll never feel ready. You don't need motivation. You need movement. The most successful people in the world aren't the smartest. They're not the strongest. They're just the ones who started even when it was uncomfortable, even when it was boring, even when it felt useless. They understood one thing: action beats hesitation every single time. The difference between failure and success isn't talent, it's consistency. It's showing up when your mind screams to rest. It's choosing discipline over dopamine. Let me tell you something. Procrastination is comfort disguised as peace. It feels safe. You scroll, you relax, you say, "Just 5 more minutes." But those minutes pile up like bricks, and soon they become the wall between you and the life you could have lived. You want to know what real pain is? It's not failure. It's regret. It's waking up one day realizing you could have been more. You had time. You had chances, but you traded them for temporary comfort. Imagine your future self 10 years from now. He is looking at you right now and he's angry because he's living with the consequences of your choices. He's living the life you settled for. Now imagine something else. That same future version of you. He's proud because you finally stopped lying to yourself. You finally got up. You took control. And every day you made progress, not perfection, just progress. That's the difference. That's the man who wins. You see, procrastination is fear in disguise. You're not lazy. You're afraid. Afraid to fail. Afraid to look stupid. Afraid that your best might not be enough. But here's the truth. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be real. Messy, hard, imperfect. That's how progress looks. Start ugly. Start slow. Start scared. But just start. The most dangerous phrase in your life is, "I'll do it later." Because later becomes never. And never becomes your story. Don't wait for motivation. Create momentum. Discipline will carry you when motivation dies. One small step. One small win. Every day. That's how you kill procrastination. Not in one big leap, but in daily deliberate action. You don't have to change your whole life today. Just do one thing that your lazy self doesn't want to do. Go to the gym, read the page, write the idea, make the call. And when your brain says, "I'll do it tomorrow," answer back, "No, I'll do it now." Because the truth is, you either control your time or your time controls you. And when it's gone forever. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. There's no perfect moment. There's only now. You have 2 choices. Keep dreaming about the life you want, or start working for it. The clock's ticking, but your life is moving. Don't let procrastination steal another day. Get up, move, act. Because someday your future self will thank you for not waiting.